Ever wanted to tether from your camera to your laptop, but you don't want to hassle with the tethering cable? In this video, I will show you how to tether from your camera to your iPad without any cable wirelessly. First thing, let's go to the Play Store and search for Creators app. This is the app we are looking for. Download the app. Now we are finished download, open the app, agree and proceed. You can register later. Okay, allow access to all photos. Allow. Okay, now you will go here to connect your camera. But before that, let's turn on our camera Wi-Fi. Turn on your camera, press menu, go to the network settings and go to number 3, Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connect, turn it on. Now go to connect PC remote, smartphone connection, and here you will have Creators app, the same app that we had downloaded on our iPad. I will choose here connect smartphone and I will continue on my iPad. On your iPad, choose connect your camera. Next, choose your camera model. Allow on the next screen. Okay. Allow everything. Now on your camera, connect smartphone back to my iPad, pairing, connected to the camera. Now my camera is connected and I can choose remote shooting, Wi-Fi connection. Now when you get this message, press join. And now my camera is connected. Whatever I shoot in my camera, you can see it on the iPad. And if you want to pause one photo, you can take it and then press on it on the iPad and it will pause and you can explain to your customers what you are photographing and tethering. The default mode will be the live view. So whatever you change in the setup, you will see directly what you are changing. But if you want to only show the photos, the final photos that you take without showing the live view, just take the first photo and press on it and it will stay in this mode. So whatever photos I continue taking, it will stay on the photo view only mode without the live view.